today more and more railway organizations are interested in putting in place an incident management system or a situation management system to allow them to better manage incidents. Because traditionally, the way railway organizations have been operating has been by using within their command and control room, their operations center, using multiple systems. All of them are separately, placed on the desks of the operators. Each operator, when he has an incident, he would need to go and check things across these different systems, whether it's a train management system, whether it's a GIS system, or just Google Maps that they would open and try to locate and understand exactly where the train currently is, opening their procedure books to understand what do they need to do if there is now a derailment, a huge crisis that they need to solve. What exactly is the process? Who do they need to notify? What's the next step, and so forth. And that is a process that was very inefficient and still is inefficient for many railway organizations. And what we are trying to do is help them make their life not just easier, but also allow them to resolve these incidents and manage them in a much more efficient way. So generally, the time it takes to resolve an incident is significantly reduced. The time that trains experience delays are significantly reduced. For railway organization, the more time the rails are, the trains are moving and rolling, the better. And every delay is a huge cost to that business, not to mention the lack of satisfaction from the passengers themselves. So all of these are factors that goes into that consideration of railway organization that would want to, make sure that any incident that is happening on the railway has to be resolved quickly and efficiently by collaborating with all the relevant stakeholders that are involved in managing an incident, and making sure that there's a smooth process in managing railway-related incidents.